East Asia in Focus: Environment, Social and Governance at Taishan 2023 Project Awards presentation. The East Asian region is rich in natural resources and biodiversity. For example, China is one of the 17 megadiverse countries in the world. Japan has over 2,000 fishing ports. South Korea has a large number of species in relation to its size. However, climate change has impacted the region negatively. For example, in Japan, the sushi culture is threatened by climate change and unsustainable fishing. Businesses can have a significant impact on the environment and society, both positive and negative. By disclosing ESG information, businesses can showcase their efforts to minimize negative impacts and maximize positive impacts on the environment and society. But what is ESG? ESG stands for Environment, Social, and Governance. ESG is a set of standards measuring a business impact on society, the environment, and how transparent and accountable it is. ESG takes a holistic view that sustainability extends beyond just environmental issues. Currently, East Asia lags in ESG practices, and this might decrease the competitiveness in the global market. East Asia is also home to the largest stock markets, with the Shanghai, Japan, and Shenzhen being the largest. With this amount of resources, East Asia has the capability to effect positive change. However, only 5% of assets under management are sustainable projects in East Asia. There is still a large gap in ESG reporting for listed companies in East Asia. Therefore, for this proposal, we will compare current policy landscapes and stock market regulation in China, Japan, Korea, and Hong Kong as it relates to ESG. How will we do this? By first looking at policies and regulations in the chosen markets. Second, we look at listed companies and examine what hinders ESG implementation in East Asia. Third, we will identify common challenges and problems of policy implementation. The best policy practices would be highly examined and become our benchmark for policy recommendations. Here are a few benefits for this project. We want to make regulations and analysis accessible to the English-speaking community. Our team is composed of members who can access Chinese, Japanese, and Korean documents. Good ESG practices can be benchmark of our policy recommendations. The bottom line is, what ESG good practices can East Asian nations learn and adopt from each other? The expected outputs are the following: a published article, a brochure, and a video presentation. The Baishan alumni team working on this project are excellent students and experienced professionals in the ESG field. The project timeline are as follows. Thank you for your consideration for this 2023 Baishan Awards proposal.